If I see that insect one more time, this is... That just opened up, like... I didn't even do anything. The letter just opened up on its own. Okay. Well, literally. Okay, well, these packs are just opening up really nicely. I'm not doing anything. Schmeagle! A little bunny. A frog. Piplap. Meloetta. Sacred Charm. Crocodile. I swear, it feels like the same packs. Sand. It looks like it's an EX. Just by telling, is it at least like a decent EX? That's a Mega Heracross EX. Well, it's shiny. It's not the shiny one we need. Well, at least it wasn't an insect. Genesect.